Hey girlies, it's your girl Marah Kyrlee, and today's video is gonna be a fall self-care. Guys, I've been in need of a self-care for a while now, and yeah, it's that bad. So I'm at my nail salon right now, and I'm gonna get my nails done, and I'm going to get my eyebrows done, cause yeah. So us girlies, we need our monthly maintenance. I've been in a little bit of a rut, and I just realized, like, you know what, I haven't done my maintenance lately, so let's get that done. I'm thinking, so I got my nails done probably like a month ago. Like, it's been a while, so it was like a pink color, and I think I might do it again because I liked it so much. And then my eyebrows, lady does my eyebrows so good. My appointment's at 2 o'clock. It is currently 1:56, so I don't think it hurts to be there like 4 minutes early. Alright girlies, just got my nails done and my eyebrows. I know you guys can see that. Yeah, it's looking good. I feel good. So these are my nails. This is what I got last time, so yeah, just like a nice little pink. Oh, it's so cool. It's like powder, so it wasn't even nail polish. So, and now girls, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I just made an order online. I'm gonna go pick it up. Picking up my Starbucks order right now. This morning it looked like it was gonna rain, but as you guys can see, it's sunny outside, so pretty good.
Hi, Marah.
Hi, thank you. Thank you. Perfect, thank you. Have a good one. Pretty well. So I got a small drink just in case I didn't like it. And this is the, I think it's the, what do you call it? The pumpkin spice cream milk. That's what it was advertised as. And yeah, I got it small, so let's see. Oh, not bad. So this is not caffeine, obviously. It's milk. That's good. Now the next drink that I got is the oh my gosh, is the white chocolate. And guys, I love white chocolate, anything white chocolate, and I know how this tastes like already because I've gotten a bigger one. So this is, I just wanted to treat myself because I love white chocolate. Oh my gosh, they never failed to disappoint me. This is so good, guys. You need to try hot chocolate. I mean, you need to try white hot chocolate. I remember one time I went to a Starbucks, but it was in a hospital, and like I was getting the white chocolate, and I opened the lid because, guys, always check your drinks, okay? Because it would be a waste of time. You go in your car and you realize it's the wrong drink. So I realized it was the wrong drink, and I was telling the barista, I was like, hey, like, this is the wrong drink. And she was like, no. I'm like, it's brown, you know? It's supposed to be white chocolate. Like, white chocolate is white. It's kind of self-explanatory, you know? She's like, no, it's white chocolate. I was like, are you kidding me? Guys, I hope the sun is not bothering you guys. But anyways, oh gosh, this is like... Anyways, so I tasted it, and it tastes like coffee, and I was like, this is definitely coffee. So I spoke to another barista, because this one obviously didn't know what was up. I was like, I asked for white chocolate, and this is coffee. And she was like, open it. She's like, oh yeah, it's brown. And the other barista, I know she could hear, you know, I know she could hear what was going on. I'm like, girl, if it's white chocolate and the milk is brown, it's clearly not white chocolate. And she had an whole attitude. I'm like, I was being so nice too. Like, I didn't even care. Like, she made a mistake. I know everyone makes a mistake, but like, don't argue with me. Don't argue with me and tell me it's white chocolate. I know what the color white looks like. And it's not that, but it's fine. They fixed it, and I got my white chocolate. Anyways. Alright. So guys, I got my Starbucks bag, and I'm just gonna do a taste test for you. So I got the mummy cookie. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Sorry. Wow. This is really good. What the heck? It's like not sweet. I mean, it's sweet, but it's not overbearingly sweet. Okay. I'll definitely be buying this again. Wow. Okay, next thing I got, and this is something I've had before. It's the, guys, I don't know the names to these things. Oh, it's the apple croissant. Looks like this. And guys, this is so good. I fell in love with this like last year. I think last year was the last one. I think last year was the first time I had it. It's good. And there's like a apple filling in the inside. All right, the next thing that I got is, ooh, it's kind of sticky. Oh, it broke a little bit. Is the pumpkin muffin. Looks like this. Guys, I like to smell my food, okay? Because like by smelling it, I can kind of tell if it's gonna be good or not. Okay, I don't want to make a mess, so let's keep this right on there. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be good. Wow. This is good. Wow, this is really good. This is so good. That filling in the center, it's busting. The last thing that I have is not a fall season thing. This is what I got for lunch. Just a sourdough grilled cheese bread. So I'm gonna have this inside because this isn't part of the, ooh, it's really greasy. It's not part of the little mukbang that I was doing. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna finish my food, and I do have to do finals. So I have a couple of assignments I have to work on. Later on, I will, I might go to the movies with my brother though, because we want to see the Smile, that new movie that just came out October 18th, because we saw the first one together. So now that there's a second one, like, we have to go see it. So yeah, we may or may not go, and we might go today or tomorrow. I do have like fun plans for tomorrow too. So. It's chili time. Okay, so guys, I didn't make this chili the same day. I'm pretty sure I made it the night before, but I thought, why not just show you guys how I made this incredible chili. Everyone said it tastes really good. So for those who don't know how to make chili, this is a step-by-step process of how I made mine. And I like to put a lot of vegetables in my chili. So if you're like me, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I just got back from the movies with my brother and we just went to see Smile. And my heart is still like heavy from seeing that movie. Not because it was scary, but because it was so loud. Like I'm telling you, if I saw this movie in my living room, it would not be that scary. They make it scary with the volume. And we were sitting all the way in the back, right next to the speakers. I was watching the movie like half the time like this. Or like this, because it was pretty gory. Like I don't know how many of you guys seen it, but it's not for the weak. It's disgusting. Like the first 10 minutes was just disgusting. So I just didn't want to be traumatized or get nightmares. That's why I didn't look at everything, but like you could hear it, so you could tell it was like really bad. So guys, it's literally 1:16 in the morning. We went to see this movie at 10 o'clock and they didn't start showing the film until like 10:30. So I'm still gonna continue my self-care routine because I'm glad I got to go out, went to see a movie, got Starbucks today, and did my nails, my eyebrows. Like I'm feeling good. So now I'm gonna take a shower and I'm just gonna talk about the movie and obviously if you guys haven't seen the movie, like skip this part because I don't want to spoil it for anybody. So I'm gonna take off my makeup and then I'm gonna do my shower routine. It's gonna be an everything shower. I'm gonna shave my legs, all of that. Okay, so I just got done with my everything shower and I cannot wait to use this. Oh, it's so gel-like. Hold on, it's kind of slippery. Oh my gosh, wait, how am I supposed to grab this? Ooh. Oh. Oh, see, yeah, so I didn't need to do the eye mask. Guys, I don't like the cold. Ooh, you guys think? Cover girl. Ooh, it's kind of, oh my gosh. Is that normal? Why is it tingly? So it says, I probably should have like read this before, but clean and dry your skin. Did that. Apply texture side on face. I don't even know if I did that. Leave on for 10 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so it is 1:30 a.m. So 1:40, I'm gonna take this off. And then tap remaining serum into skin. So I'm guessing, I don't know, tap like this or when I take it, I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, while this is marinating, I do want to talk about the movie I saw tonight. And this is for those that have seen the movie so we can like relate. I want you guys to leave comments down below on your like ideas or your perspectives on the movie. There's definitely gonna be a third one just because how the ending was. It was so unfair of the ending. I was so like, are you serious? Come on, like, let's get this demon killed and over with. But no, no. She had to reveal herself to the rest of the world. So, I mean, hey, that's how you make money. So, they're making different franchises with it. But, the main character, like, is she a real singer? Because I have to look her up because her voice was so beautiful when she was singing on the piano. You guys remember that? But, my favorite part of the movie was probably, let me see. I mean, I don't really have a favorite part, but I'm gonna say the scariest part was when she was on, I think when she was on the stage, I think she was like rehearsing or whatever, and then like that face just popped up. Like, that scared me, but mostly because the speakers were so loud. Oh my gosh, is it moving? The speakers were so loud, so like that kind of just was a jump scare to me. But whatever happened to that Marco guy? I think that's his name, Marcus, whatever. So that was never him. It was the demon the whole time. That's crazy. Ooh. 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 Feels very moisturized. Wow. Guys, how did my skin look? Is it glowing? So I'm gonna go in with my night cream. This is the By Nature Vitamin C Plus Collagen Night Cream. This is a overnight rejuvenator. And it smells pretty good. It's very like creamy. I just put a little bit. Just a teeny tiny bit, because I did not put a lot of skincare on my face, because I feel like I don't really need it. But I think it is important to have some type of moisturizing cream at night on your face so it's not dry. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go to bed, put a nice little Netflix show on, and go to sleep. And guys, I feel so good right now. Like, I woke up this morning and like I said, a little rut. I just didn't feel like myself, so I did what I had to do. I did my self-care, and now I feel great. Well, good night, ladies.